Have you ever looked at a brand new motorcycle, fresh off the line, and just felt like something's missing? We're not talking about more horsepower. We're talking about a soul. So let's dive into this idea we're calling the bike beauty parlor, a place where machines truly get their identity.
I mean, think about it. Look around the next time you're on a ride. You'll see these incredible machines, right? Sport bikes, cruisers, tourers. But if you look a little closer, they all kind of roll out of the factory looking like clones. But the person riding it, they are anything but a clone. They've got their own story, their own personality. So the question is, why should your bike be a clone? We spend so much time personalizing our clothes, our style, our entire look. But what about the one machine we trust our lives with every single day? Why should it look just like everybody else's? What if there was a place where a bike didn't just get repaired, but got completely transformed?
Yeah, we're talking about a totally new kind of space. Forget what you know about dusty, old-school workshops. This is an identity studio. It's a place where style meets safety, where design meets comfort, and where your machine, well, it finally gets the personality it's been missing. So what is a bike beauty parlor? It's a premium studio experience. The key word here is experience. You're not there to fix things that are broken. You're there to transform a machine so it perfectly reflects the personality of its rider. It's a whole different game.
And this is where the idea really starts to make sense. It's not just about changing the name. It's about a complete shift in mindset. A garage, it's greasy, it's noisy, and the whole point is to get you in and out as fast as possible. But a studio? Oh, that's clean, it feels premium, and it's designed to be a space where you actually want to hang out and watch the magic happen.
Okay, so what are you actually selling here? You're not just handing people a messy list of services. No way. You're presenting them with a luxury menu, a menu of treatments for their motorcycle. Every single item on it should feel premium, desirable, and, let's be honest, totally Instagram-worthy. Your menu is all about taking the customer on a journey. You can start them off with the essentials, right? A deep, premium detailing and a ceramic coat to get that insane, better-than-new mirror finish. Then you can offer protection, like an invisible armor with paint protection film. And from there, it's all about identity. One-of-a-kind paint jobs, custom seats for comfort on long rides, and finally, those tasteful, legal bolt-ons that really complete the look. But here's the secret weapon. Instead of just selling all those things one by one, you sell ready-made identities. You package them up. Think about it. A midnight stealth package or a vintage chrome theme. This makes the decision so much easier for the customer. And guess what? It massively increases your average ticket price. Look, you can't charge premium prices if it doesn't feel premium. It's not just about the quality of the work. It's about the feeling you create from the moment they walk in. Anyone can wash a bike, but not everyone can deliver an experience they'll never forget. It really is all about the vibe. So forget that image of a greasy workshop. I want you to picture bright, premium LED lighting that makes every single detail on the bike just pop. A clean, super organized space that feels more like a high-end designer studio. You'll have a comfortable lounge where customers can actually sit back and watch the transformation. And most importantly, you'll have a dedicated reveal zone for that big, emotional final moment. All right, that all sounds great, but let's get real for a second. Let's talk about the numbers behind the dream. You don't need some massive luxury showroom on day one. You just need a smart, well-planned setup to get started. Starting a premium studio sounds expensive, I know, but it really doesn't have to be. We're talking about a smart, scalable way to start. For somewhere between, say, $3,000 to $8,000, you can get the essential professional-grade equipment, your initial materials, and set up a basic, clean studio space. It's a realistic entry point, not some bank-breaking gamble. Okay, so let's break down what a month could look like. Your main costs, things like rent for a small industrial spot, utilities, and materials, could realistically be managed for between maybe $850 and $2,000. Now let's talk revenue. Even if you're only doing a few bikes a week, your services are high margin. You could quickly be looking at revenue that seriously outpaces your costs. The path to profit is right there. So when you do the math, after all your expenses, a realistic profit in those first few months could be anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 a month. And as your name gets out there, as your reputation grows, that number can scale up much, much higher. You can have the best idea in the entire world, but it's not going to work if people don't show up. So let's talk about your marketing launchpad. The goal isn't just to get customers, it's to get a steady, consistent stream of them coming through the door.
In a business this visual, your work is always going to be your best advertisement. But your most powerful marketing tool is actually built right into the experience itself. It all comes down to that one incredible emotional moment, the reveal. So your marketing engine is actually pretty simple, but it's super powerful. Instagram becomes your #1 showroom, just packed with stunning before and after reels. Local writing groups and communities, that's your shortcut to building trust and getting customers in bulk. And those customer reaction videos you film at the reveal zone, that's pure gold for social media. All of that, combined with great Google reviews, builds a rock-solid reputation. And that brings us back to the most crucial point, this feeling. When a customer walks away, not just happy with the service, but with a thought in their head that says, wow, this feels like my bike now, that's when you've won. You've created an emotional connection, and that's how you build a real brand. So just remember, at the end of the day, this isn't about polishing a bit of chrome or applying some paint. It's a transformation service. We don't just customize bikes, we create identity.
Now, just to be clear, this business idea is shared for educational purposes. All the costs and profits we talked about are approximate, and they can definitely vary based on your location, your skills, and how you execute the plan. Your success is going to depend on your effort, your consistency, and the quality of your work. Start with the right intention, always give it your best, and leave the rest to the almighty.